Thank you, sir.
It'll work.
I'll take it. Appreciate it. Today we're actually just gonna do a single stall. It's gonna be nice and easy. We loaded up only a little bit of our tools. It's gonna be a powder coated steel from ASI. They ended up putting in a really big toilet, so this in-swing isn't gonna be ideal for the bigger guys. So they asked if we could flip the swing. But this is an ASI product, and it comes with a privacy strip built into this, so we can't just flip it any way we want. We're gonna have to flip it this way. But we'll start with marking our floor lines, 1-inch gap, 3-inch pilaster, 24-inch door, 5-inch pilaster, and marking our holes for drilling. Because the drawings say 57.25 to the front, and the pilaster is 1.25 inches, we can take 3/4 off to find the center line, which is 56. The GC said he put blocking.
This is pretty tight.
We can try to just make it as minimum as possible. On the pilaster, we'll go over to the edge. They don't put.
You're looking like on the edge, actually. So you might probably just bring it out.
Move everything over 1/2 inch.
It's more like a 1/4 inch.
1/4 inch.
I feel like you're not gonna be able to go more than what you got in the corner.
If it's a 1/4 inch, couldn't we put 1.25 inch gap?
That's yeah.
Okay. So he marked the center line at 32-inch, and then he's gonna mark 17-inch and 65-inch from the floor for the wall brackets. Do we make sure that it's not a continuous bracket or anything like that?
No, it looks like some cover. Use my brackets are already on the floor.
Okay, cool. So from the wall, 56.5, and then we got 56.5 right there. Let's check it. Doesn't look straight. 56.75. Okay, I marked mine at 56.5.
So when you come across that, what you can do to make exact floor measurements.
Okay.
Let me show you real quick. So you measure from here. You can measure from here, right? 56.5. Mark on the wall. Put your laser in here. Put your laser, and then just measure from the baseboard to your laser, and then it's gonna be an 8 less. And then you measure on this an 8 less. Mark it, and then just align it.
Okay.
And then once you get your laser, you can measure up here, and you should be 56.5 exactly.
Draw the measurements on this, because this is good.
And you're gonna need another 1/4 inch for the wall.
So I'm doing 1.25 inch from this wall, because we're adding a 1/4 inch gap to reach making this level, and then 24-inch, and then we got 5-inch pilaster. Line these up with my marks and mark these to move the laser.
54.5 panel. What to move? You got any mark on the floor?
I think we didn't mark it.
The carrying it, and I'm gonna let us screw in here for the panel.
So I was thinking about that, and in those cases we just use a sex bolt.
Okay.
We drill all the way through.
You need some help? Make it work. So that's for the floor. Let's drill the floor.
Then the walls are going to be a 1/4 inch so that we can put in a plastic wall anchor.
And we can go the walls with the 1/4 inch bit.
So the floors is going to be 3/16 because it uses a concrete anchor. Found one Schwartz kit. I do have the bit.
I put one here.
Right here.
Is that one?
Yep.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
Is it yours?
That's yours.
Okay.
We just center it,
Okay.
and then it can shift left and right if we have to make small adjustments on the doors again. Okay, right at 1.5 inches. This bolt hole is not perfectly straight, so I'm gonna bend it a little bit. You want to do 1.5?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it'll take a long time to just get it on 1/2 inch.
So this panel's not square. 58-inch length is gonna be facing upwards. So I have the holes here at the bottom.
I got holes on this side too.
Holes on both sides?
It doesn't matter which way.
Okay.
Good. Good. And it looks pretty good. Little net caps on both sides. Perfect.
And
Then let's bring the pilasters here.
going to check the floor level. So I'm at 25 and 11/16. 25, 11/16. 25 and 11/16. So they're the same. So we can put both bolts at like 1/2 inch. The floor bottom leveling bolts, we can put them both at the same level.
Okay, perfect.
I know. All right, so we're gonna install this first one. So our goal was to be at 1.25 inches. So this is right at 1.25 inches from this outside lid. And let me just make sure it's level. I think this will work.
I'm going to cut the head rail.
Right at 24. So I'm just at the top, it's opening up a little bit. So at the bottom seemed to be perfect. That's 24.25.
Yeah, put level right there.
24.
Put level.
Okay, then we are good.
Yeah.
When you're level right there, I can see we've got like
24.
yeah, we've got like 24.125.
Okay, so maybe that one has to come little way. Just put it in here. Yeah, you gotta go out like this since you're putting on that edge. We're done with the hammer drill for now.
And bring this in 1/4 inch because it was actually at 1.5 inches. Yes, right about right. 1.25 inches. Level. Yeah, you're right there. You're right there. That's it.
There?
Yep, that's it.
Sounds like it's good. Let's put the laser in here. We're like in the center, but
Go back.
yeah, just push it. Let's see. Check it out in here now.
Probably right there.
There. So then that's a pretty decent gap.
Yep. These are for the head rails. 3.
You got 3?
Yeah, we do. So for the head rail, I'll slide it over, I'll mark it. And I actually got to remove the head rail to mark and drill the other one. Maybe I'll drill it real quick and I'll put it back.
So the door self-built, right? Here you come. Well, we gotta do the 6 bolt on top.
So on this side, I think I want to mark it and drill it out here, and then we use the angle adapter.
Once you're ready. Okay.
So from the factory, this paint isn't coated right. We're gonna show it to the customer, but probably just flip the panel to hide it.
This is the top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this will probably work.
Okay. Put it down and we can adjust it all later.
Or you want to hang the door first? Yeah, just
Thank you, sir.
it'll work.
I'll take it. Appreciate it. So this is basically where I had to mark. How is the level?
That looks really level.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks really good from here.
Okay. And then I'll flip the cut. I'll flip this bracket to go in.
Yeah, please.
Okay. All right. You ready?
Yeah, move it.
Okay. This one is gonna be. I should have brought that step stool. It would have made everything easier. Right there. ASI and Bob Rick. Two mainstream. Look at. Yep. Final product all installed. This is the ASI Accurate. Not global, but accurate. We flipped the swing on it so that it wouldn't hit. It's a 32-inch stall. Coat hanger, indicator lock, privacy strips. Not bad.